Okay, lahat ng kids, patuloy dito sa harapan natin. Minsan nagpa-blow naman ang tender si Baby Nika po. Okay, Baby Nika. Ayan. Alright, lahat ng kids, patuloy dito sa harapan natin. Kuya naman, kids. Ayan, pag-blow tayo ng tender. Alright. Dito tayo sa kids. Okay, so this time again, I request that everybody to please run forward. Alright, everybody stand up alright. Because this time we're going to sing a happy birthday song for Nika. Alright, so everybody stand up, please. Alright, everybody stand up. So you can around everybody again to clap your hands and sing with me. Together to the music as loud as we can. Alright, everybody clap your hands, everyone. Everybody clap your hands. Alright. Happy birthday to you, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Everybody, one more time. All right, everybody, make it louder. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Everybody, for the last time. Happy birthday to you. All right, everybody, around the three, I want you to shout, Happy birthday, Mika. Ready? 1, 2, 3, shout. Happy birthday, Mika. All right, Mika, it's time for you to blow your candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Palakpakan naman natin si Baby Mika. Alright, so this is mommy and birthday wishes for Baby Mika. Good birth and long life. Wow, palakpakan naman natin si mommy. Okay? Ayan, so this time kung merong birthday wish, ang mommy ni Mika, of course, hindi mawawala ang birthday wish na ayan, ang special guest natin ang si Mr. Jollibee. So, Mr. Jollibee, how many wishes do you have for Mika? 1, 2, 3 wishes for Mika. Okay, for the first wish, sana po si Mika ay lumaki. Of course, matasari and all, may tapos sa buwan. Wow! How about the second wish? Sana po si Mika will grow up into, of course, mapagmahal. Wow! The third wish, sana po si Mika will grow up into, of course, always be happy. Like yours truly, Mr. Jollibee. Wow! Okay, mommy, I need 2 gifts. At least 2 gifts coming from your dad. 2 gifts po. Okay, so for the first gift to open, I want to open by special guest Mr. Jollibee. Walang message. Okay. Kanina galing sa hindi kawin nakita. Okay, lagi si Jollibee. Kanina ng palagalan na. Okay, Jollibee, please open the gift. Let's see. What's that? Wala po. Kanina galing itong gift na to. Ayan, kay Tita Mahana. Kay lagi si Jollibee. Ayan, dahil may open the second gift. Okay.